Okay, here we have the 911 991 Gen 2 Carrera 4S PDK Coupe. This is a 2017 17 plated car. It's done 2,500 miles from one private owner, and the car is absolutely fabulous, as you would expect. Set in jet black metallic with black leather. We've got the 20-inch Carrera S alloys with the red calipers. Real eyeful of the car. So there we've got the sills that just kick out into the wide body at the back, and we've also got the stone guards on there. So just really good looking car. Obviously, as a Gen 2, it is the new turbocharged engine, which I have to say, having driven this car and a few of the new ones as well, it is just superb. I think a few people had a question mark hanging over it, how it would be, how it would sort of transition, but you know, well done Porsche, it's absolutely fantastic. Moving around the back, this particular car features the rear wiper. Porsche have gone back to having the vent just sat above the engine. We've got the new lights obviously on the Gen 2 as well, the facelift, and that just gives you that lovely illumination right across the back of the car. Looks absolutely superb at night. This car as well does have the sports exhaust, so that's just got the twin pipes there at the bottom, just sitting closer together. It's switchable, so that can be changed in the cabin as well. The wide body as well looks stunning from the back, so just a really classy car. So one careful owner, has been really well looked after. Let's take you inside the car and just show you a few of the features as well. So, black leather with all the black carpets, black extended leather. So we'll start with the seats. So we've got the four-way sports seats. Got the aluminium trim. And then we'll show you some of the goodies. So we've got there all-important sports exhaust, and you can see there the buttons for the very nice glass roof, which is here on this model. Obviously on all the 991s they made the sunroof a little bit bigger, which was great, and obviously the option of the glass roof just brings a bit more light into the cabin, so that is a really good thing. You've got a blind there as well, so you can use the blind. Sports chrono on this car, PCM4, so giving you all the Apple Play and the Connect. And the chrono now sits, as I'm sure you're aware, just there on that little dial on the wheel, on the GT wheel. So sort of moving on from the sport design wheel, this is the sort of new equivalent, but brought the multifunction onto the wheel, and you can select your chrono from the dial. That little button in the middle, sort of just a sort of playful 20 seconds of turbo boost. It's quite fun. Mileage 2592. There's the alley trim, which is nice. So mirrors and windows there, and the all-important BOSE sound. So great car, some really good options. Got the exhaust, got the chrono, got the good sound system, got all the right options really. At the moment we've looked, it is the only black coupe on the market. Seems to be a lot of cabriolet stock around at the moment, but if you want a black coupe and you want a low mileage in Gen 2, we have one. It's the right car, it's here, it's available. Finance options are available. Part exchanges are welcome. Free UK delivery as well is available, so don't let distance stop you. Pick up the phone, 014 55 446 505 is the showroom. If you're following us on social media, search for us and you'll find us at Approved Used. We look forward to your call.